Guys, so just gonna explore the streets of Armenia. I'm here in Yerevan. I've got myself a coffee because it's quite cold. So let's go. Come with me. It's a nice little coffee place over there. So I'm just walking along, and then I've come across this church. So this church is called Holy Mother of God Canton High, I think. I'll post it in the bio. Really nice architecture. Just show you around. Same thing around Yerevan, you'll see all these water fountains. There's quite a few of them, but apparently the water's from the mountains and it's drinkable. So I'm just walking and I think I've come across a park, but as you can see it's all snow, or full of snow. I'll show you guys around. I mean, there's not much to see, I think, apart from the snow. Well, you've got some nice benches here, but they're all snowed on. There's a heart-shaped thing here in the park. Some form of a monument there of someone or statue. I'm not sure what that says. Sukhmitos, famous Armenian composer, musician. Still walking around. Across the road from me is the Cascade complex. I'll just show you when I can get a good view. Just from here, if you can see, there's some steps all the way to the top. So I'll show you that in another video. So guys, I think we're by the Opera House, which is just here. I'll show you it when we get to the front. So there's two statues here. I'm not sure what they symbolize, but there's one there. And I think this is the National Ballet Opera House. So
Hi.
hey guys, so around here there is a lot of restaurants. If you look around, you can see them. In the evenings it's well lit up around here, so I'll try and take a video in the evening so you can see how nice it looks as well. There's a nice rink nearby, so we'll go walk to there. Hey guys, so I just want to show you a dream of mine, and here it is. My dream is to become rich. So we just walk down here. I'll show you the ice rink. Okay, there's one thing I've picked up on here in Armenia. In quite a few places I've visited, there's a lot of stray dogs. They are quite friendly, but sometimes they're quite territorial, so just be careful. It's just approaching the ice rink now. It's just down here. I think that's the entrance to it down here. So I'll just show you around again. There's quite a few shops around here. Like I said, I think this is the centre of Yerevan. Down there, it looks like a subway, but I think there's a lot of shops down there, so we'll take a little walk down there as well. Some nice architecture, or there's some nice painting on that building over there. And then I'll just show you as I go to the street shopping gallery. So let's take a walk down the steps. So just come down the steps, I'll show you around. As you can see, there's a lot of shops around here. There's lots of clothes shops around here, and looks like it's predominantly clothes shops around here. As I'm walking around, and a few coffee shops and cake shops. So that's the underground shopping centre. Let's go back up. Okay, so we're just back at the top again. I'll show you around the centre again. Again, there's lots of places to eat, dessert places. There's even like souvenir shops and everything around here. Just a minute so there. There's a place called Tasha Pizza. I think that's their local pizza, or some kind of a franchise that's local. Can't go wrong with cinnamon. So guys, I've just reached Republic Square. Let me show you around. There's quite a bit of traffic on the road, but if you can see, this is all of Republic Square. If you're going on a tour in Republic Square, this is one of the meeting spots, just so you know. Come with me.